Hello, my name is Brian Bartow, and I'm an enrolled agent with Tax Debt Resolution Services of Winchester, Virginia. And this video is going to be about the discussing the facts about tax debt resolution. And this is part five in a series of videos we've been doing. All right, so let's jump right in. Um, all right, so what are your options for resolving your tax debt? Fact number 17: claim doubt as to liability. Okay, doubt as to liability is actually a form of an offer in compromise, and it can be used in special circumstances when there's evidence that the tax assessed is not accurate. As an example, we see this from time to time in payroll tax cases. For example, if a taxpayer has been incorrectly assigned responsibility for past due payroll taxes of a company that they worked for, that's a good example. Number 18, qualify for doubt as to collectability. That's the next resolution option. And that's also a form of offer in compromise. And it means that the taxpayer agrees that they do owe the money, but cannot afford to pay due to their financial situation. And this is the most common type of offer in compromise. So, but just be aware whenever an offer is received, the IRS will scrutinize every financial record they can get their hands on, like bank account records, house value, credit card history, utility bills, and lots more. They want to make sure that you're not hiding any income or assets before they go and reduce your debt. All right, number 19, try for effective tax administration. And this is a case where the taxpayer does owe the money and technically can pay it back, but it's just not a good outcome for anyone. This is only approved in very special situations, and it's very, very rare where both the IRS and the taxpayer are considered to be worse off if the tax is collected. Again, that one's super rare. Fact number 20, one other option is to do nothing at all. We don't recommend this one because the penalties and interest will continue to increase. Your stress level will also continue to increase. Um, One excuse we hear frequently for doing nothing is, well, I don't have the paperwork, or I don't have the receipts, or I don't have the proof because I lost it. And we hear this from small businesses. But just be aware that paperwork can be reconstructed and business expenses can be reconstructed, and that's per IRS rules. So that's doing nothing is not a good valid reason to delay action. All right, so what is the best option to resolve your tax issues with the IRS? Well, we suggest you hire a tax representation professional. With so many requirements and forms and processes and deadlines, qualifications and exceptions, it just makes good sense to take all this worry off your shoulders and leave it to a tax professional experienced in representing taxpayers in front of the IRS. The difference between choosing the wrong option and the best option, can be thousands of dollars and months and years of additional worry. We suggest finding a tax resolution professional that's local to your city or state. And we find that most taxpayers prefer to work with someone locally who they can sit down with face to face. Someone that knows their region rather than a chain store service where you can call a national number and get someone different every time. Personal service and attention are essential, and I think you're most likely to get that with a local business rather than a national chain. Okay, so if you want to discuss your tax issues, our contact information is right there, and I thank you very much for listening to this video, and hopefully if you listen to the whole series of videos, you have a little bit more knowledge now.